You know, I had to look at him. I mean, I stopped by my sister's house because it's just two of us that are here in Jamaica. All the rest are sisters, and my brother, who is his father, is overseas. And I said to my brother, I'm going over Spanish Town, and I went in there a while ago and I looked at him and I closed his eyes and him opened back his eyes and I closed it again and I said, Lando, close your eyes. But I figure I want to see him father, so I guess him coming on the next plane tomorrow, but he opened back his eyes. So I'm not sure. I know he's with his grandmother, they're very close, which is my mother. Oh. So I know he's going to be with her right now. I'm actually going to send him to the same funeral home that did her thing. So I don't know. I know it's not the same, but I'm hoping that them find each other. It's that I'm trying to find comfort in myself that they'll find each other and be comfortable. And they're very close. They were very, very close before she died. Very, very close.
You said Lando was a good person.
He was a great person. Like I mean, everybody have them issues, but you don't know his issues because he's such a great person.
Everybody gets along well with him in the community.
It's crazy.
You're saying?
I said Lando, he was a community person. He gets along with everybody in the community.
And
old people, young people. He just gets along with everybody. He's very jovial. You know, kind anywhere. You just, as you see Lando, it's a big smile.
He never comes to town and come unless him come at my office. Until me downstairs.
Everybody loves Lando in the community. Nobody has anything bad to say about him.
He made himself loved. He was that type of person. He's not selfish. You know, he was that type of person. He wasn't selfish.
He's very close knitted with his family. Very close knitted.
Yeah.
Very close with his family.